हाय लोगोफोर नोंथांमोनखौ जोंनि गुबुन मोनसे भिडिअ फरायहरनाय थाबाय आसा खालाम नोंथांमोना गासिबो मोजाङैनो दङ जोंबो मोजाङैनो दं लोगोफोर बैसागुनि उनाव दिनैसो भिडिअखौ स्टार्ट खालामफिनदों ब्लग बानायदों एक्चुअली दिनै फिल्म नायनो थांनो ओंखारदों आरोना जों सिनेमा बर' सिनेमा इन्डिया हेबिटेट सेन्टाराव हेबिटेट फिल्म फेस्टिभेल सोलिगासिनो बेवहायनो बर'नि फिल्म दिन्थिगोन दिनै सिनेमाखौ गराइ फाख्रि बेखौ नायनो थांनो ओंखारदों मानो होनबा जोंथ' बेबायदि हल बा बेबायदियाव जों सिनेमाखौ नुवा दिनै जिहेतु खिन्थिगोन बेनिखायनो जों थांनो ओंखारदों खायसे सोरबा सोरबा फैगोन बर'फोराबो गासैबो फैनो होननानै खोनादों आरोना बेवहायनो जोंबो थांनोसै फिल्म बेबायदि प्रग्राम माबा माबिखौ जों नायना मोजां मोनखायो बेबायदिनो दिनैबो थांलायनोसै लधि रडआव आरोना हला सिनेमा नायनो थांनो ओंखारग्राया जोंनिया सफानि हेन्देलाव जलायनानै टिभि नायगासिनो थांगासिनो लोगोफोर जों ससे मोनबाय एक्साइटेड जानानै सिनेमाखौ माबायदि जागोन मोजां जादों होनना खोनादों बिसेसकरि बांसिन एक्साइटेड आं अनजालि दैमारि मेदाम थानायखाय मानो होनबा मोनसे टाइमाव बरमा कलेजाव जोङो फोरोंजानो मोनदोंमोन आरोना बर' डिपार्टमेन्टआव मेदामजों बेनिखायनो बिथांनि फिल्मखौ नुफेराखै दिनै नायनोसै टानेल प्रगति मैदाननि दिल्लीनि टानेल होनलाय गोलाव साब्रि सफैबाय
किधर पार्किंग
आगे वो देखो आगे आई नकार पार्किंग सफैबाय लोगोफोर फाइनली दा हाबलांनोसै भितराव बर' सिनेमा नायनायनि थाखाय सिनेमा नायनो
बर'नि फिल्म नायनो फैदों गराइ फाख्रि
आरो गराइ फाख्रा
फाख्रा फैजोबदों फाख्राफोरा उनाव फाख्रिफोरा
आगोलाव लाइनाव जाजोब्बाय थांनोसै लाइन लगियो हाबनोसै होनलाय लाइनाव थाजोब्बाय थांदो लाइनाव गासिबो होनलाय सिनेमा नायनो नायनो नागिरदों बर' सिनेमा
बर' फिल्म
दिल्लीयाव
स्टुडिअ नायनो अडिटरियामाव
स्क्रिन गोदोराव नायनोसै आरो
अडिटरियाम लधि रड इन्डिया हेबिटेट सेन्टार
थान्दा
Thank you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the 16th edition of the Habitat Film Festival, a celebration of the Best of Film Awards, Best Director, Northeast India Film Festival, Best Sound. At the Vancouver International Film Festival, it was screened, and also at the Third Eye Asian Film Festival, the Pune. Rajani is holding the story of the film very close to her heart, but will be very happy to join you all for the post-screening Q&A. Thank you.
Jepai Mijing kamu yang tak? Serang film naik gerak serialnya.
To present to you Rajani Basumatary, very heartwarming film. The director of this very heartwarming film. You can just raise your hands and my colleague will reach you with the mic.
Very good film, very nice. Really enjoyed it.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
When I was writing this and I let everyone know that we are not going to have a single man in the film, my daughter played Sonati in the film. She is in Liverpool now. She just finished her master's in archaeology, and her question was, how can you make a film on patriarchy and not even show a man on the screen? And I thought we will employ pictures and voices, and the story itself should drive the story message home. Because in many places we have shown that why men are absent. Story में ही एक आर्मी में है, बॉर्डर में काम कर रहा है. एक का husband, he was a rebel, he was an extremist leader, he was killed. एक का बेटा गोवा चले गए हैं नौकरी ढूंढ के. Original title is Gorai Phakhri, and Gorai Phakhri is nickname in Boro society, nickname to girls who are beautiful, rare, and fighter, and non-conformist, etc. The title was in fact given by Dr. Mijing, and Deimari is sitting over there.
So, according to your opinion, cinema is one way, yes, of course, sensitizing the society about gender equality. What are the other ways?
We are really delighted here on behalf of Delhi NCR Boro Thunlayafat, that is Delhi NCR Boro Sahitya Sabha. And I'm here today, I'm Dharitri Narzari, and I have with me today the members from Delhi NCR Boro Sahitya Sabha. Our president is here, Professor Nirala Lamsiari, and all the members are here today, and we really feel proud that we are able to be here to witness this film with Rajani, and it's also in one sense telling about our history, our culture, our tradition, and heritage, and it's also showing the progressiveness, the progressive minds of the community and of the women. So we really feel pleased that we are able to felicitate here Rajani, our dear friend, and I would hand over the mic to our president to say a few words.
The story that affected the whole of the community to the world, and hearty congratulations for that. And we are very proud of you. I'm sure that people like it and people will love, who will see this movie. And on behalf of Delhi NCR Bodo Sahitya Sabha, we congratulate you. And always we are here. The moment we came to know, we are very eager to come here and join us, even though we got all the circulation of the information. So I thank all organizers, especially Madam and all the organizers for being for screening this beautiful movie that directed by Rajani. And I request our Vice President, Mrs. Kavita Brahma, to kindly felicitate with our traditional arena. Thank you all for we took your time, Madam. Thank you so much for giving provide.
जोब्बाय थांसै होनलाय जोब्बाय ना माबायदि मोनखो सिनेमा नायनानै माबायदि मोनखो सिनेमाखौ नायनानै
मोजां बिराद मोजां जादों
एकदम होनलाय बिराद मोजां मोनथारदों ना
गामियाव थानाय बायदि मोनलायथारदों गामिनि सिनेमा नायनानै
सिनेमा जोब्बाय थांसै होनलाय गानस्लायबाय बाइकआव थांनांगोन नालाय गानस्लायबाय गोजान लामा गोजान लानाय Gudong Singki. Wow. Nó có lẩu bì na. Thầy lên